This is 0546, so we're on the 5th floor. And magic. If you look right here.
Oh.
So this is one of the, well, this is the smallest room type you can get. So you come in, bathroom, don't look at the socks. Don't look at the socks. Socks are being dried, hello. So you've got the same mirror, although this one is jungle themed. Same sink, all of this is the same. But then instead of having a separate toilet room, you have a toilet cubby instead, which is perfectly fine. And the shower is exactly the same. It's a great shower. It's got the place to shave your legs, if you are someone who shaves your legs. Good place to dry your ponchos here. Full size mirror, hello. And then, oh, what has happened here? The storage fairy has been. So even though this is a small room, you do have a lot of storage. You have your Keurig with all of your same bits. I did say a second ago, I can absolutely drink 4 coffees. This, again, this bit is the same. And then you've got your safe in here instead of in the wardrobe with some slidey drawers. This, again, is the same. Got your robes, hangers, laundry thing, pillows, which we all need. Woo! Ironing board, laundry basket, and then this is like a 3/4 and a 1/4 door, if that makes sense. Full size fridge, other side, Paul. Full size decent fridge, full size TV, phone, because with DVC we've got a microwave and our cooking related stuff that can all be done with a microwave, because it's only a 2-person room. You've only got the 2 glasses. This is a little sofa. Some nice art. And then we have a view of the road.
It's got handles on it, which is really good for moving it.
Yeah.
It's really cool.
Yeah. Yeah. I was going to say to like leave them over here.
Well, no, because we need to pull the bed down.
Yeah, but that's also where our luggage is going to go. That's why I pulled them back. The bed won't come up much further than that. Because it will... Is that a leaf we've bought in? Because down here, it says, the bare necessities of life will come to you. And normally...
Services. They'll
Huh?
come to us with our luggage.
Oh. Normally the bed will frame this. Don't forget to take the little bolstery things off. This could be fun. That's not even close to me. Boop. Oh dear. Oh dear. Okay. I'm just saying, I did this really easily on my own. Oh look, and just like that, our luggage is here. And the magic, I don't know if I caught that then. The magic fairy has bought our stuff. But yes, we have Baloo and Mowgli, and if Paul could very kindly switch on the little light. Ah. But this does us, I mean, we would be quite content in here for a few days. There's more than enough space for us.
I liken it to the Riviera.
The tower.
The tower suite that we had.
Tower studio.
Tower studio we had. That suited us for 5 days in 21, which is fine. And ultimately, it depends on how particular you are as to whether you want to put the bed back up at the end of each day or not, because realistically...
We never did we?
We didn't, and it was fine
We
for us.
use this as a sofa as well, so... Yeah, I'm going to go back to drying our socks.
This was a room tour.